With just 10 minutes until the end of trade, that means it's time for the countdown closer. Nicole is on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Trent Wagner has the number one thing you need to watch before the close. And John Wilson here to tell you the best way to hedge risk for your portfolio with somewhat of a freaked out Fed. Nicole, I want to start with you. Quick check of Salesforce.com. It's now jumping 12%.
That's right, but there is a sell side imbalance going into the close. So watch that one, right? And this is all on the potential that there may be a suitor for Salesforce. You saw the big pop in the stock, and take a look at Oracle. Oracle was a name that was thrown around. Oracle had a wild afternoon as well. Microsoft, SAP, these are the names that have been mentioned, but look at that, some heavy volume. And just some big movers that are worth noting. Lumber Liquidators, Department of Justice, right? Criminal investigation down 20%. GoPro, Hilton, Starwood, Goodyear Tire, good results, new highs on many of these names. Spirit Airlines, though, down nearly 10% as they cut their revenue numbers going forward. Liz.
Okay, 9 minutes to go before the close. Trent, at the CME, what's the number one most important thing our viewers need to watch before that bell clangs?
I think you got some real opportunity in the treasury markets here, Liz. We had the relative value trade in play early in the session this morning. We saw the treasury markets here in the U.S. sell off, due in most part to the yield spiking over in Europe. Everything thereafter, though, Liz, was fairly constructive, in my opinion, for the treasury markets. The GDP number, the subsequent Fed statement this afternoon, all of that's constructive. It essentially is taking a June rate hike off the table. That's good for treasuries. I don't think the spike in the European rates is here to stay, and that relative value trade will come back the other way. I think we have a real buying opportunity in the treasuries as we head into the close and into tomorrow and Friday.
Okay, at 2.04 for the yield. Thank you very much. The Fed voted unanimously to keep interest rates at very